Everybody, how's everybody doing? We're doing a 5-box hybrid select. First ones of the case. One, two, three, four, five. Let's put this box on the ground behind me. Somewhere so I can grab it easily. Just put it back over. Malik Willis. We got Devontae Adams. A little disco action. Cam Thomas. We got Mr. Hufanga. And Mike Williams. Cater Kohu, how you say that? Out of 49. Yeah, Ty. Let me double check it for you. You received. Yes. Yep. We got a blue Calvin Austin. Steelers, Chris. Out of 25. I'm going to top load that one. Matt Corral. Nice Garrett Wilson red to 49. Jets. Eric Holt. Mika Fitzpatrick. DJ Moore. Derek Forstner. Cooper Kupp. Box 3. Malik Willis. Justin Jefferson. Mike Evans, Tampa to 49. Justin Fields. Keem, Carolina. Tyquan Thornton. Trey Lance red. Box 4. Huh? Where? Oh, would you put those cards with his name? Where they belong? Yeah. Mike White in a Jets uni. We got Derek Carr blue. Drake London. Luke. Scary Terry red out of 49. DJ Moore. Ooh, this is a grading card. For the Jets, Brees Hall. Eric Holt. 2 of 10. Look at that. Club level gold Brees Hall. That is beautiful. Look at that bad boy. Eric, we sending that one in? That's a beauty. Yeah, somebody mailing some cards in. So I should be getting those today. Actually, tomorrow. So Monday we'll be shipping out. Or Tuesday, depending on how fast. Who are you looking for? Madonna. That's new. No. He has a card. Where? That's Eric Ingles. Oh. Daniel has one. It's out there somewhere. But he definitely has. Yeah. Refractor Dante. Is this a green? /5. Tyrann Mathieu for the Saints. Tommy McDonald. Jonathan Taylor. Oh, out of 25. RPA. Chris Olave. That's a beauty. /25. Keontae Ingram red /49. Damian Pierce. Kyle Pitts blue /25. And that is the first 5 boxes. Let me go over the hits. Let me do a recap. We had out of 5, Tyrann Mathieu. Garrett Wilson, red to 49. Calvin Austin out of 25. And Breece Hall to 10. And there's beautiful Chris Olave to 25. That's a beauty. That's some nice hits right there. So let's do a line out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chris and Mr. Jason L. Smith. Congrats, and that is the break. Here's your